Koponan no, na bumaba sa 20 puntos. Pero yung second and third periods, lumayo na ang San Juan. Kaya lamang na sila ng 16 na puntos. Tatagdagan pa yan ni Orlan Wamar hitting it a 3-point shot.
Again, the distance of that shot by Orlan, I think meron siya tinuturo sa kanyang bench na proving that he can make it all the way from that far. But so from the bench, they have what? More than half of their points came from the bench.
DJ Howe, Musika, 19 points. Ay DJ.
He's leading all scorers in the ball game.
Kaya naman medyo awkward yung finish na wala sa timing yung pag-challenge. Kung Nathan sa loob. Oh, count it!
One.
Plus the foul! Wamar the rebound, bouncing it off to Raylan Torres.
Oh, too late in that pass. Napaganda pa, I guess, picking up that...
which has major implications in the team standings na pag-uusapan natin mamaya. Bumukot, bumitbit. Papare, hinabol yung bola kanina, tumira sa tres. Wala. Soberano, pinabayaan sa labas.
If there's anyone na mainit dito sa laro natin from the outside.
15 points for AC Soberano. Mikey answers with a jumper. Halfway point of the fourth quarter, Soberano putting on a shooting display. 6 3-pointer made. Wamar getting past Mikey. Nandun si Kaduyak. DJ Howe glides in for the layup. Agent Howe, 21 points.
Inigo outsmarting si Boral.
Mikey Alvarez with 16 points, 8 rebounds, and 5 assists. Two teams in the South Division. Soberano got back his own miss. A rare 2-point shot made by AC. Matakbo ang San Juan. Soberano. Assist to Orlan Wamar. Under 3 minutes left. Achi Inigo on target from downtown. Negros, 12 out of 23 from 3. Bulawan, sidestep. Finishes through contact.
That's how he's played all his life.
Last 2 minutes brought to you by Sports Plus, the official sports book of the MPBL. Patrick Sleet lays it in. Bulawan. Nawala ang bola sa Negros. Soberano off that steal. Takes the jumper, no good. With
difficult shot.
Patrick Sleet.
Total in control of the ball game. Initially, we ended the first quarter with a tied ball game. And then after that, San Juan just the separation happened in the third quarter where they scored above 30.
Patrick Sleet with 10 points. Bouncing back and getting themselves back to the winning column at the expense of the Negros Hacienderos.